Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to use branches in a home decor. One thing what you need to keep in mind while choosing colors is that it should have a good combination. Like if you're taking yellow, you can take brown, you can take bronze, and it should basically look nice, a combination of all the 3 to 4 colors that you're choosing. So I'm taking white in yellow and bronze, and you can have shades of these as well, like a lighter yellow and a complete yellow, and that's how I'm painting it. And so after this I'm going to be placing it in a bottle, a glass bottle with a few pebbles. It's giving a beautiful look, guys. See how pretty it looks. And you can place it on your nightstand or on your table, study table, anywhere. If you've liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.